Hi and welcome to the Speed Addiction. Today I am totally honoured to have a 1993 FD RX7. Very noisy, catalyst, custom exhaust. I have to shout at the top of my voice to just be heard. So sorry guys if I'm shouting, but I don't have much choice here. But let me tell you something, right now I'm going to drop in the second gear. Okay, let's go. What's your name and tell me about the car?
David Ponce, 1993 Mazda RX7 FD 3S.
How long have you had it?
Had it for 3 years.
Any engine modifications?
It's fully built Bridgeport motor. This is all the works, bells and whistles in the car, fully studded, Bridgeported, side cut clearance. This built to hold that boost.
Okay. Does it have a upgraded turbo?
Yeah, it's a Borg Warner EFR 9180.
Okay. What fueling upgrades have you done?
I'm doing 91 octane with the methanol, 50/50 methanol AEM kit.
Any additional fuel pumps?
I'm running the radium surge tank with 2 Walbro 450s and then another Walbro 450 for the feed.
To be honest, this car is pretty easy to drive. It's a 90s car. The controls are really nice and easy to use. All the switch gear is just where I need it to be. The steering is nice. Just the right amount of feel in the steering. I can feel all the imperfections in the road. Again, 90s car, but it weighs under 3,000 pounds and it feels so light. Gliding across the tarmac, great, brakes are fantastic. Stop tech, big brake kit on the front. No air conditioning, I'm sweating here, it's probably about 100 degrees Fahrenheit in here. Okay, I'm going to ride onto the floor just a tad. Car, no lag, a little bit of lag, it's imperceptible. Alright, are you ready for that rush of adrenaline? I know I am, let's go. Ah, second! Yeah! Any suspension upgrades?
It's DMS coilovers. This fully adjustable coilover. I got Cusco front and rear sway bars. This basically all upgraded bushings. OS Geiken 1.5 LSD, and then OS Geiken original OS Geiken fluid, differential brace, transmission brace. Mazda Motorsports, this toe links, front and rear, everything, this what you could do.
steering wheel kind of, it moves around in your hand. Guys, if you get the opportunity, you have to drive a car from the 90s. This JDM stuff is motoring perfection. Really good. Tell me about the brakes.
Brakes is Stop Tech front rotors. It's 4-piston with hawk pads, and then hawk pads in the rear.
What about the wheels and tyres?
Rears is Advan Racing TC2s.
Tell me about the exterior modifications.
Yeah, shine feet, carbon Kevlar side skirts, RE MMIA, rear diffuser with carbon Kevlar, vortex generators, GT2, replica GT2 wing, carbon fiber wing, APR, side view mirrors, carbon fiber.
Doesn't get much better than this. Thanks to the owner for letting me drive it in the desert. I mean, guys, man, since I was a teenager in the 90s, I've been playing Gran Turismo with the RX7 FD. And I remember the FD was such a sweet handling car in the computer game. And now in real life, I am not disappointed. Such a fantastic, agile, sweet little driver's car. Such fun. I've been waiting 30 years to drive this car. I wasn't expecting to drive one with 500 horsepower to the wheels. Has a big Borg Warner turbo. Man, how much boost is it pushing?
20 pounds.
Pushing 20 pounds of boost. Dynod at 500 to the wheels, so responsive, minimal turbo lag, just a fast, accelerating beast of a car. Let me drop down third gear, wide open road, no other trouble, let's go. 8,500 RPM, yeah. Fully built engine, feels really solid and strong. Oh, having so much fun, man. If you took my heart rate right now, it would be through the roof. It's fast, but I feel completely at home and confident in this car. A really nice, predictable car, dependable car, zero body roll, chassis is set up really well. Not intimidating at all, just get in the car, drive it, gear change is extremely precise. You know what it sounds like? It doesn't sound like a car, it sounds like a Cessna, it sounds like a light aircraft. You know, this is the type of car that you have to be dedicated and passionate to own. You know, this is not the most reliable of cars, but when it's working, it doesn't get much better than this. I mean, that noise. It's lovely, love it. And I think my drive is done here. Guys, I hope you could hear the audio. Thank you for tuning in. I'm out of breath. Please subscribe, like, give it a thumbs up, share the video, please subscribe. And guys, don't know how we can sort this one, but yeah, wait for the next video. Thanks guys, and see you soon.